I'm not tasting this just raw by itself. No, it is stunning. Look. Y'all, listen, I had to share this with y'all. I have this new moisturizer that I've been using because you know with chemotherapy, like your skin dries out crazy. I know mine have. I don't know. Let me know, Pink Sisters, if y'all skin has dried out. And don't pay attention to this because if you look, you can see like the scar I have right here from getting a MRI biopsy. MRI guided needle biopsy, whatever, a biopsy. And then my skin is kind of dark here from getting the radiation all those years ago. Can you believe it? Like when I'm in the sun and I don't put on enough sunscreen, it gets like really dark. So that's a tip for y'all if you have to go undergo radiation. And Pink Sisters, let me know in the comments down below if that happened to you, like when you're in the sun and you get, you know, you don't have your proper sunscreen on or proper protection on. Does it get more dark? Because it wasn't always like this dark, but I don't know. Radiation is like an ongoing thing. Even the doctor, the breast surgeon told me that. But I wanted to show y'all this moisturizer that I have. It's L'Oreal Hydra Genius. Can y'all see that? Yeah, you can see that. This stuff right here, y'all, after I had that facial, you know, I did the vlog where I went to get the facial. After I get that facial and I started using this, I bought this the same day. Oh my God. This has been changing the game for my skin. It makes my skin feel like it did prior to chemotherapy, like soft, supple. If you having an issue with dry skin and stuff from chemo, or just dry skin in general from whatever, try this. And it smells, oh, it smells so good. It almost smells like, it almost gives me the vibe of like a man's cologne, but not really a man's cologne. I don't know. It just smells so good to me. So try this out if you haven't tried it. And let me know what you think. If you need a new moisturizer or something, try that. And it's not too expensive because, you know, moisturizers can get real expensive. And then this is another thing that I've been incorporating into my regimen. This apple cider vinegar face wash. Oh! This apple cider vinegar face wash is changing the game as well. This, oh my God, now this smells like apples, y'all. This smells so good. It does not smell like apple cider vinegar at all, okay? This is from Wild Skin Science. I do have a discount code for them and I'll put it here on the screen. Listen, try out this face wash. And it has the silicone brush head on it. The good thing about this is you can take it off and you can like give it a real deep cleaning, sterilize it or whatever after so many uses. But y'all, look at this. These silicone, the little thing or whatever, it really helps to get the it even takes your makeup off. That's how bomb this stuff is. Oh my God, it smells so good. Yeah, if y'all want to know the face wash, try this out too. Like, I'm not going to steer you wrong, okay? And oh, another fact that I have to tell y'all, this is a vegan product. I know with people going through different treatments, taking different medications, your skin can break out and stuff like that. But this is vegan. It's cruelty free, okay? And it has aloe vera extract in it, and that also, like, you know when you wash your face and your face feels like dry and stripped? No, baby. When you wash your face with this, it's gonna feel more soft and more supple. I don't know, it just feels so smooth. Like these two right now are my holy grail right now for my skin. And I haven't even been breaking out as much since I've been using this. I've been using this one for about 2 months, I want to say. Yeah, about 2 months. And I noticed a drastic difference. But this one I've only been using for like a little over a week. And girl, this, if you don't want to get this, get this, okay? I wish I had a discount code for y'all for that. But I don't. But anyway, I had to share that with y'all. Let's get on with the rest of the day because listen. Okay, one of my Pink Sisters sent me some Irish sea moss. So no, it's gold sea moss, I think. And y'all know that sea moss has cancer benefits. Well, that's what people say. So I don't know how true that is. But I'm gonna actually make it today. I soaked it overnight. So it's been soaking for about 18 hours. That's what I read on Google. It said soak it first and overnight if possible. So now we're about to blend it up and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. I'm supposed to be making a gel out of it so I can add it to my smoothies. So Pink Sisters, let me know if any of y'all have tried the sea moss and what do you think about it, like the taste and stuff like that. So I don't know. Let's see, y'all. I don't know. Okay, so this is the sea moss, y'all. Oh, let me move this blender out of the way. This is the sea moss. Is Ricky Ray's Gold Sea Moss. And I was so excited when I got this in the mail because I had been wanting to try sea moss because everybody always talk about like the good benefits of it and all of that. So this one says raw, wild crafted from St. Lucia, 100% natural. So this is one that I'm using. And if you can see here, I've already have it in this little bucket thing that I soaked it with overnight. I had it covered with a plate. And so now, oh my God, it stinks. Now, ew, look. It looks like ramen noodles. Okay, yeah, so now I'm going to drain this water out and we're going to blend it up. And we're going to add some more water. I think we're supposed to add some more water and blend it up. So let's do that. Let me drain it. Hold on. Okay, so let's put this in the blender. I think I'm making a lot. This looks like, oh, a healthy serving. A lot of it. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I didn't want to make this much. Oh Lord. Ow! Okay. Oh, that stinks. Oh my goodness. Okay. I gotta get the water. So I'm using alkaline water. It said use alkaline water or spring water. I'm using alkaline water because that's all I had at home. So let's put this in. Hopefully it's enough. I'm almost running out. Look. It says the more water you put, the more liquidy it will be, obviously. Oh my gosh, y'all, I don't think I have enough. I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some more water. Yeah, I don't have any more spring water or alkaline water. I do have some distilled water, but it didn't say to use that. Let me just see how this works. Can y'all see that? This might be in the way. I don't have that much water. Let's try it. Oh. Okay, I don't know if this is enough. I don't know if this is enough water. I'm scared. Oh my God, look how stiff it is. It's not even moving. Every video that I watched on YouTube, it was like way more watery than this. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put some more water. I'm gonna put the rest of this water. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit, okay, that's better. Okay, so let me find a jar, a container to put this in. Okay, y'all, this, oh man. It looks like applesauce, but it doesn't smell like applesauce. This stuff stinks. Look how much it made. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be that much. So I have to find a container to put this stuff in because I thought I had a mason jar. I was gonna put it in a mason jar. I said can keep it in the fridge for I think like 4 months or something. No, 4 months. You keep it in the fridge for like 4 weeks, y'all. So I have to get a mason jar. I'm gonna have to go to Walmart or something and get a mason jar because I don't have anything to keep this in. But I'll let y'all know my not results, but I'll let y'all know how it tastes and stuff whenever I do put it in my smoothie. So I'll start putting it in my smoothie tomorrow. I'm not tasting this just raw by itself. No, I'm gonna put it in the smoothie. But let me know if y'all ever tried it or want to try it. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Let me show y'all my outfit. So I have on a Nike shirt, just some regular leggings, and a waist belt. Because y'all, when I tell y'all, it's been a struggle with this waist going through chemotherapy. So I got this off of some website online. I like it because it has like three straps anyways. But yeah, so it's time to go. But I need to put this hair back because it's gonna be too hot on the treadmill with this hair all in my face. So yeah, let's go. I cannot believe I'm on my way to the gym. Like, I used to go to the gym 3 or 4 times a week. So for me not to have gone in 3 months, it's a lot. I know my body has changed so much in these past 3 months that I've been going through chemotherapy. But working out for me is like therapeutic. It makes me feel better. It makes me feel better about myself. It makes me feel better mentally. I mean, I just love working out. So we're gonna try it today. I'm feeling good. I'm not feeling too nauseous. I'm not feeling dizzy. So we're gonna get it in today. I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy. Normally I would like hit the weights because that's what I like to do, hit the weights. But today I'm just gonna get on a treadmill. I'm gonna try to do like a mile or 2. Let's see what it do. I don't have any pre-workout. I usually use pre-workout. I have my water and that's it. Me, my water, and God. That's all we got today.
Telling that girl she the one for me, and I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever 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 mine. I want this shit forever, mine. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the brown. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped the mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'd have thought a countrywide tour be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal, I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my business.
Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. I only did a mile and it took me almost 20 minutes to do a mile on that treadmill. I feel so defeated. Like, you don't understand. Like, oh my God. I used to do a mile in 12 minutes. Now I'm doing a mile in like 19 minutes. Like, what is this? I'm trying not to be hard on myself because at least I came and I tried it and I made the mile. But I felt so wiped out, y'all. Like, you know, it's crazy how fast like I get winded now. Oh my God, my endurance is like doop. But I did it, y'all. I made it. I did my mile. I feel proud of myself for doing that. Okay, I feel like after that workout I deserve something good to eat. Even though that workout was the bare minimum, I'm telling you. Like, but I did what I could do. So like I said, I'm proud of myself. So let me give me something to eat. Come on, get in. Oh, y'all, my salad was so good. If you never heard of salada, you need to go try out salada because it's delicious. I didn't record in there because there were a lot of people, so I didn't really feel comfortable. But I had a salmon salad and it tastes chef's kiss. Alright, it's much later. I already came from the gym, put my stuff away, took a bath, changed clothes, changed my hair, everything. Everything, okay? I got this bracelet in the mail, y'all. I've been wanting to show y'all. I told y'all, I think in another video, that I was expecting a package from Jeulia Jewelry. Listen, they have the most beautiful pieces. Let me show you what they sent me. Look. Ah! Can you see it? Oh my God, it is stunning. Look. It has the stones all around it. And it has my name customized. I love this piece, y'all. Y'all have to check out Jeulia Jewelry. The pieces that they have are so stinking unique and cute, and I just feel like they make me feel good. They make me feel better about myself. And I'm a girl. I'm a jewelry girl, by the way. Like, I'm that girl. I don't want to leave my house without earrings or a necklace. Like, I feel naked if I leave without my accessories. And of course, I still have my beautiful cross that I got from them. Oh my gosh, you guys, the quality of their pieces. And it's sterling silver, so I'm going to leave the discount code in the description box below, as well as right here on the screen, so you guys can check them out. Listen, you will not be disappointed, and I'm so grateful to be working with them. I'm like officially working with them now, you guys. Like, please check out the website, see if there's any cute pieces that you like, and don't forget to use my discount code, because you will not want to miss saving these coins, okay? But yeah, y'all, my workout was... it was mediocre to say the least, but I tried, you know. I did what I could do. I think what I'm gonna do is work out at home. I think that'll be like a safer bet for me. That way, if I'm feeling terrible, I could just chill out and lay down or whatever the case may be, you know, instead of being out at the gym. Do y'all hear my dog barking? Like, come on, girl. Harley! I have 2 dogs, y'all, and right now they're fighting right outside of my bedroom door. Sorry if you can hear that in the background. But yeah, let me get some water because you guys, let me tell you. Wait, the blonde hair is getting all frizzy. You see that? Yes. Oh, my face is all shiny. I didn't even realize my face was that shiny. Oh my god. Yeah, I had put on a little makeup and I was doing some stuff outside the house, so that's why you can see like my face is kind of shiny. And then like, yeah, anyways, y'all don't care about that. I want to say thank you so much for tuning into these videos. Like, you guys lift me up so much every time I read you guys' comments. And you know, we talk in the comments, sister. We pink sisters. So listen, whatever questions y'all have, leave them in the comment section below always, because I love talking to y'all. And follow me on Instagram if you don't, because I really respond quickly on Instagram, because I feel like I'm over there more than I'm on YouTube. But anyways, yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. My name is Your Favorite P.O., same as my YouTube. And then subscribe to the channel if you're not already. But thank you guys so much for the love and the support. Like, it's crazy. I feel like this channel is growing every single day. Like, this breast cancer journey is not easy by far. By any means is it easy, okay? But you guys help to make it just a little bit easier for me. And I wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I already know, I told you guys that I'm going to do a giveaway. And I have the thing that I'm doing picked out, right? I just have to get it created. Still, there's an I'm outsourcing that, so I'm not going to DIY it. Somebody's going to create it for me. That way I can get back to you guys. So there's going to be 2 winners. Hopefully he can get back to me. I might DM him tonight, actually, to see what's the status on it. But I'm so excited. I can't wait for y'all to see what it is. I'm cheesy as hell. Just know that it might be a little bit cheesy, but it's gonna be sweet and it comes from the heart, okay? But yeah, that's it for today's video. I don't have anything else, y'all, but I do have to go back to the doctor for chemo on, what is it, Thursday. So that's tomorrow. Well, it'll be tomorrow when you guys are watching this video. So yeah, I will talk to y'all then. Until next time, stay safe, pink sisters.